Welcome back, Best Uni Crew. It's Sugar. So I'm getting a little obsessed with these little cowgirl hats, and I had a special request for a Auburn um, cowboy hat. So I am gonna do the lights on there as well, but we're gonna go ahead and try to put the logo and stuff on there. I used a scissor brand HTV vinyl, and I did like the shadow and then the inner layer. I didn't have a darker blue, but it is what it is. I also have, what is this called, a wide single fold, I don't know, some tape stuff, whatever I'm gonna be putting around for the light area. And I got some orange ribbon glitter from Hobby Lobby. It's cute, right? So I'm just gonna be doing the logo on the hat with HTV, and then I'm gonna put the lights on probably later. I have a video of me putting the lights on there, so if you would like to see that, the video is on my YouTube channel. The original height I did was like a almost like a 3x3, but probably a little wider. And I'm thinking it's gonna be too big because I want the ribbon to go around. I could possibly put the ribbon on first and then go around. I feel like that's gonna be too high up, and I think that's the back of the hat. I don't really know. Do y'all know if this little skinny part or this wide part is the front or the back? Thinking this might be the front because it's so skinny, and maybe that's the back. But if you know, please comment down below. But I'm going to try my best to put it on there like this. I think I'm should put the ribbon down first. I think that's what I'm gonna do. You see, if I have enough room for the ribbon. Okay. I'm just gonna wrap the ribbon around it and glue it with my glue gun. Okay. Let you know you're gonna, that glitter falling off everywhere too. Feel like I should spray it with a silver spray. So I'm gonna use some of this and spray this ribbon. Hopefully it'll help. A little bit at a time. In here. And I'm gonna try my best not to smash as much as I did with the last hat I did, because it had glue everywhere. I'm gonna try to take my time and place the glue in there. Tight and even, with no wrinkles. Let me just pull it. Let's just try to hold that little piece for right now and see how that gonna do. And just come back around up in the little area here with some glue. Oh no, honey. Got a little glue on there. So, trying my best to pull this tight. wonder can I like put splits in it, like. Even, trying to make sure it's even around about. Oh, I hate glue gun. The little scraggly stuff be coming out. That should be annoying. Okay, so just trying to not smash too much. Actually get it to fold. I'm gonna use my mini press that Miss McAveen bought me. And I think she got it off Amazon. I will probably try to find it and link it in my Amazon store. So it's a real cute little press. I just gotta let it get hot. But it's so cute. I'll put some splits in that part there because I might have to fold it. Like, you know, for that to lay down. So I put a split so I can be able to pull it over like that. So hopefully it worked. But so far it looks like it's so far it looks like it'll be cute. Okay. So far this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go back in for show with heat that right now. I'm gonna put the glue on there. I think the hardest part for me is putting the lights on. I have to put the lights on it. Make sure it's even. Mini press up to 320 so far. I'm not rubbing it, I'm just kind of trying to press. I should have got like a adhesive ribbon. Like put some heating bond around that ribbon and then iron it on there. Maybe it'll be like more, you know what I mean? But glue gun is good. It just, I want to make sure. Okay, that is gorgeous. It is actually pretty out. And make sure I got that glitter on there real good. And not to rub because I don't want it to wrinkle up. Okay, that's what it's looking like. bust down. This is what it's looking like so far. I am gonna put lights around it, like I said. So right now, it just don't know. Maybe it's just my eyesight blurry. But everything looks so plain Jane to me. Make sure y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think. I wish I could find like some orange lights. And I'm gonna fix that seam right there because I want it to be seamless. But if I had some orange or blue lights to go around the hat, now that'll be bust down. I'm gonna look for that, but for right now, I think I'm gonna just use the lights I have, and I'm gonna do the same method I did in the last video. So, y'all make sure y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think. And make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Please hit the like button. Y'all have a blessing.